Oh, Alan failed to mention that this is a drinking game rebuild. Every time he swears or uses the wrong word, our viewers have to take a drink.
I don't even know what any of this shit is. Fuck! These car suckers all get fucked. Fuck! This shit was fucked up, buddy. Still cocksuckers. Fuck. This cocksucker. Bitch. Find the fucking dingle on it. What? Like a 14-year-old cock. Damn spine replacement. Twist fuck 'em. My name's Alan Hutt, and this is Pro Laps, and today we're doing a top end rebuild. You want to wait until about 182 hours and then start working on this stuff.
It's going good so far.
I don't think anything can go wrong. That one's about that long. That's how you know it goes there. You want to always remember, you want to disconnect your battery. Jared, come here. How do you think we do you think it's this?
This is your battery. So I'd probably start by
Maybe disconnecting the positive one?
Or the negative. Either one.
That fucking falls into the top end.
Good spot. Just leave that there. It'll stay through this whole process.
Which, check this shit out. Brand new. Spin that off.
Holy smokes. Can't wait to break that tool.
I know. Okay, where is this wiggle down there to trace this one? I don't know why I took all the plastics honestly off of the tank. Just felt right at the time. Quick shout out to one of our sponsors, Pittsburgh Tools. Don't shortcut quality, go to your local Harbor Freight. Fuck, I should probably get a new pipe too, huh? I can't wait to see the underside of this cocksucker. Pro tip, you're gonna use these zip ties, pull these suckers.
You gotta use a new one every time.
Reduce, reuse, replenish. What I say. Turtles aren't gonna feed themselves. Let's see. Not really any dents from the top. One small one there and a little one there. You can barely see it. And I guess there's one there and maybe one there. Sick. Oh! Oh my God! Oh, Jesus Murphy. Damn spine replacement after that one.
And if anyone has anything to say about Alan's choice of tools, well, you can just go fuck yourself.
You can get fucked.
He's a resourceful human. He gets the job done.
Yeah, that last little bit now.
How's that taste?
Sweet. Oh, really? You got to do it from that side? Friggin' idiots. These were pretty damn loose. I think that's fine. So that thing is not tight at all.
It's probably not very important then, if they didn't tighten it from the factory very tight.
That's what I'm thinking.
If anyone knows how to get this off, leave it down in the comments to help us out.
Answer quick. Get these is to twist fuck them. So this, I don't even know what any of this shit is.
Well, all you need to know is how it comes off and how it goes back together. We don't really need to know what purpose it serves, you know?
Its purpose is just to kind of get out of the way.
Maybe if I scan this QR code, it'll tell us.
Try that. Ooh, this one's weird.
The next thing you're gonna want to do is unplug this sensor that we also don't know anything about. Just know that it needs unplugged.
And find the fucking dingle on clearance, is it?
Get rid of this ice. Maybe you can have more room to move stuff.
Can you hand me that tire spin, please?
Pry bar?
Yeah, right there. That's the spot. Okay. I wish this shit was more out of my way. I wonder if I could
Zip tie it out of the way.
zip tie it to that. Weird. What the fuck? So this is like, what exactly are you talking about? I don't know, it's fine.
Alright, well,
Alright.
not sure, dude. If we did things right.
Here goes something. Cool.
182 hours. Stock piston. Pretty sweet.
Oh, that tastes like cat piss. These things will go flying and hit you right in the eye. Ow! Dude, that hit me right there.
Oh, man. Good thing you had your safety sweatshirt on.
Felt it. And you'd think you got to take both off.
Or can you just push that through? Oh, yeah, here she comes.
Guy could.
I got it.
Okay. We've got new needle bearings.
Well, we hope you all have found this video useful and helpful and informationful so far.
It says N for what else starts with N?
Right. Can't recall.
Perfect lineup. Okay, piston's ready.
Those little clips make your life so much easier.
Slavin's Racing.
Big shout out. Selling us these clips at full price for this video.
Yep, those are over $19 for those little cocksuckers. All right. Really got to rub it in there. Now you got to rub it, but just a little bit. This thing's like a 14-year-old cock. Doesn't need a lot. This one I like to use a two-finger kind of pinch
Yeah.
and lather technique, making small semicircles.
Small semicircles moving up and down the shaft.
Yeah, exactly.
Properly applies the lubricant.
Seems small, doesn't it?
Yeah, that doesn't seem like the right size bearing.
Something seems.
I think that guy ripped you off, dude.
Quick shout out to Cameron Service. Fucked up, buddy. Well, I guess
To be continued on
to
this
be
part.
continued.